What is up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in tonight. I just want to give a quick thank you for all the new subs and old subs for sticking with my channel and signing up to my channel. And if you aren't subscribed, go up, subscribe, hit the bell, or whatever people do. I don't know. And let's roll with this. So this video is going to be about, is Hyper Tough dead? Now, my buddy Brad's Workbench, he has a channel. He's been pushing the Hart stuff, the Hart tools, saying it's the greatest ever. Hyper Tough's dead, all this other stuff, and he's pushing it on Instagram. I know it's going to be hitting the old YouTube soon, but I disagree with him. And also, I'm joking. I did say in a video that I jokingly said he's sponsored by Hart, which is not true. Brad's Workbench is a tool review channel, and he does a bunch of how-to stuff. You guys have probably all seen it, but probably one of the tool review channels that I truly like his reviews on. He's an honest guy with his reviews, and it's tools that I would use. That's why I enjoy his channel, and he makes great videos, man. He's got a great channel. And anyways, though, getting on to the Hart. So he says Hyper Tough's dead. And this is going to be a little bit longer of a video, maybe. I'm going to try and talk through it as fast as I can here. But I'm going to bring up a few points why I don't think Hyper Tough is dead. And if you're a homeowner looking for tools, it depends on what amount of work you're going to do. Now, I can say the Hart does perform well. I ran this against a Craftsman Impact and that against the Bostitch drill in two of my videos. And, they performed very well. The drill won in the Impact, although it got blown out by the score. That whole thing was a lot closer than what you think, that tool battle. Now, here's a few things I don't like about Hart. It's big, it's bulky. I know that it's TTI, kind of like a Ryobi. It reminds me of the old blue Ryobis for sure. I do know that they have brushless stuff. But here's a few things that I haven't seen. I haven't seen a decent charger from them. This is their charger, okay? So that's Hart's charger. There's Hyper Tough's. Is that much of a difference? I don't think so. And I also know Hyper Tough makes a 2-gang quick charger. Have not seen that from Hart yet. I haven't seen a non-slide-on battery pack charger from Hart. Speaking of batteries, let's go into their batteries. We have 20-volt battery. There's no battery light indicator. Now, I paid $94 for this kit. Ryobi does the same thing, but they do have batteries with battery indicator lights. These, the Hyper Tough, there's no battery indicator lights. But are we seeing much of a difference there in the batteries for what you're getting? I can say that you can get the 4-piece recip saw, impact, and drill, and a light, which, say the light's not too bad, It's not great, but it's everything you want in a little portable light. For like $70 now. Hyper Tough does have 2 amp hour batteries. I think Hart does also. I'm pretty sure Hart should probably have a 4. I'm not sure how big their batteries are going to get. And maybe they'll put battery light indicators on them, but I'm not sure. Because this is for Johnny Homeowner, you know? I mean, you got a lithium-ion battery. How much is it going to come out of the, the closet or wherever you got it, out in the garage? That's pretty much what, so far, not too much of a difference. Now, where is the difference? All right. So we got the Hyper Tough Impact right there. And here we have the Hart Impact. As you can see, the Hart is a lot beefier. But as a homeowner, this is where you have to decide. Do you need that much muscle? Or maybe the slimmed down, but yet also pretty decent. I mean, it's not a bad impact. It will drive probably what you want it to drive. So it's slimmed down. It's a little more compact. It's got an LED light, Same as the Hart. They both have LED lights down there. Hart stays on. That's kind of nice. Good thing they add that feature. But maybe this would be a better option. I mean, in terms of rubber overmolding, drop protection, Hyper Tough's pretty good with that. Same with the Hart. The Hyper Tough 12 volt drill that I bought, this has been pretty decent. I haven't seen Hart with a 12 volt. It is a single speed. I don't think you can actually find that anymore. So I guess it's irrelevant, but it even had a cradle charger, but not just a cradle charger, but you could also hang it. Nice added feature for an all-around price of I don't know, I think I bought that for $17. So here's where I'm going to bring in some new Hyper Tough tools, new to me. So let's see what we got. We got the 20 volt Lithium-Ion Cordless 2-speed hammer drill. 2-year limited warranty, LED light. They got a ton of tools too, for around the house. 1/2-inch quick release chuck. I don't know how that could be, quick release, but we'll see. We'll pull it out. I already have it pre-opened here. Whoa, look at that. It's got the battery right on there. We got the important instruction manual. Throw that in the trash. Comes with a charger also. And just want to showcase. This was $50. Not a bad price there for if you just need a drill. Let's see what we got. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. Same as what you would get with a Hart drill. It has an all metal chuck. LED light. Got the functions and the 2-speed. This is actually, it's a pretty robust drill there. I kind of doesn't feel too bad. This is not a hammer drill, but the Hart, I think Bear Tool, this runs you 60 or something like that. It's bigger. The Hart is. I don't know if you can see that. See if this battery has any juice. It does. Look at that chop. I mean, for 50 bucks, and people might say, oh, it's a 1.5 amp hour battery. But for a homeowner, and that's the part I had trouble deciphering. You know, you need a bigger battery, but not really. I mean, you should be doing small tasks. I understand some homeowners definitely do big tasks, big jobs, and then those ones should know that might want to go elsewhere to buy a drill, but nothing wrong with this one. And I'll give you the specs right there. Not too bad, pretty standard. It's nice, I like it. Alright, and the second tool I bought, an angle grinder. I saw it, I was like, I gotta test it out here. Try it out. And once again, comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. Comes with the cheap charger, but hey, that's exactly what Cart's giving you. Comes with a, be honest, I probably won't use that metal grinding wheel. What else do we have? We have a 1.5 amp hour battery, which this is the one more or less that, you know, the drill probably would work fine with the 1.5 2 amp. You can buy a 2 amp, and I have one charged up ready to go. But you know, that's where the homeowner thing comes from. I mean, whatever you might need, you know, it's a portable angle grinder for $50. You know, you're buying it for the convenience of not running a cord, and you're probably cutting off a bolt or something here or there. Maybe sharpen your lawnmower blade. Me again, Dave, showed me the way on that in one of his videos. So, I mean, you know, what we got up here? That's metal up there. So that switch, you know, it probably has, it does. It has the right amount of, if you gotta hit it quick, it goes. Let me check out everything else here. So, as far as the guard goes, okay, so you just pull that back. Rotate it around. I don't know about you guys. Wow, it has like a quick release on the guard there. They really tighten that up. Jeez. Hold on. Give me a second here. Alright. I don't know why they tighten that down so much, but alright, video crapped out there real quick, but the guard comes off real easy. You know, just there's this pin lock thing. You just pull back. It's got a spring mechanism in there, and that's how the guard works. Got a pretty alright, decent locking pin situation going on there. This is going to go down on that. And then this. I mean, I would, you know, if you guys want to use the guard, use the guard. I'm going to grab this 2 amp hour battery. Just kind of give it a quick whirl. I mean, that's pretty legit right there. Let's see. Might be underpowered. It has a handle. I don't really use the handles that much. Might be underpowered. But I'm going to test it out. We'll see. This is just my initial impression. My initial impressions is it works. And we'll see what it can do. You know, I'll compare it to my other cordless ones. But this is why I don't think HyperTough is dead. I think it's a great budget tool. And if you keep in mind what you're doing at home, or like know your abilities, you could save a bunch of money buying HyperTough. I mean, the stuff's worked. I had an 8-volt rotary tool. I still have it. I use it at work. I thought it would have died, but it keeps working. So I just wanted to show these new tools that I'll be testing out. I'm excited for that. Here, I'll give you some. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for this video. Sorry for the cuts and stuff. My camera I lost storage and stuff. Anyways, thank you for joining me. Thank you for sticking with me. If you haven't already, subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment. All is welcome. Thank you very much. Have a great night.